Good morning, students. So today we are going to read about the role of kidneys in filtering blood. So this renal artery is a branch of aorta, which brings in the blood carrying metabolic waste into the kidney. It branches into smaller blood vessels until blood reaches the microscopic filtering unit called nephron. Each kidney contains about 1,000,000 nephrons. So this is the structure of nephron, and nephrons are surrounded by capillaries, which carries blood that is to be filtered. Along with metabolic wastes, the blood carried through capillaries also contains some useful substances such as glucose, amino acids, minerals such as sodium, calcium, potassium, and water. All these useful substances are also filtered along with the waste through the nephrons. So let's understand the same process here again. So renal artery brings blood with metabolic waste and some useful substances, which then filter from glomerulus into the Bowman's capsule. Then this filtrate passes through this coiled tube of nephron. But the useful substances are reabsorbed from the filtrate back into the blood. Why? Because our body needs them. And the leftover filtrate containing waste such as water, urea, and mineral salts form the straw-colored fluid called urine through collecting duct. And then from the collecting duct, urine gets collected in the renal pelvis, and from where it is removed from the kidney through ureter. And after reabsorption, the blood leaving the kidneys through renal vein is free of metabolic waste and contain the right amount of water along with useful substances to be reused. It passes through renal vein. So urine from the collecting duct transported through ureters. Ureters are a pair of tube-like structures that originate from the renal pelvis of both kidneys. They receive urine from the kidneys and transport it downwards towards the urinary bladder. Next is urinary bladder. So it is a muscular bag-like structure present below the ureters in lower abdomen. The urinary bladder stores urine temporarily and removes it later through a short tube called the urethra. Next is urethra, which is a short muscular tube. that arises from the lower end of the urinary bladder. Sphincter muscle present in the urethra controls the opening and regulate the flow of urine. These muscles relax to release urine out of the body. The process of expulsion of urine to the exterior is called urination or micturition.